Animals.
Other animals.
Good. Some animals
Some animals
live
live
in fresh water.
fresh water.
They live
They
in
live
rivers
in rivers
and lakes. Fish,
and
frogs,
frogs,
beavers,
beavers,
and ducks
ducks
live in
live in
fresh water.
fresh water.
Good. Big
The big
animals
animals
also live in fresh water.
in
The
fresh
Nile
water.
crocodile
The
lives
live
in rivers and lakes in
in
Africa.
Africa.
When large,
Where Africa?
非洲 when large,
非洲
Africa,
係咪捕嘢嗰度
Somalia is still South Africa, yeah.
捕嘢㗎。
Those poor people live in Africa. Not all, but most people. Okay, when large animals 讀埋先，等陣同你睇 World Map。
全部都捕㗎。
係，唔係冇嘢嘅，等陣同你講 World Map。好 when large animals
咁有冇講故事啊？
睇埋先。No, when large animals they walk to school. They walk to school. Large animals come to drink. It pulls them under the water and eats them. Land animals need water too. They drink water in the African savannah. Yeah, animals. Savannah 係一種唔係 forest. Savannah 即係平地。Okay, you don't see too many trees in savannah. Animals like zebras, giraffes, and elephants. Yeah, you can see fewer trees in savannas. 平地咧，當平地 with grass only.
三個。
Yeah, come to the water hole to drink.
咁多嘅。
讀埋先. The savannah can be very hot and dry, and these animals cannot live without water. Hippos need water to keep their skin healthy. Yeah, hippos, and they stay in water all day to keep cool. If they don't have water, they get sunburned.